Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 1 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Tap to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now listen carefully. First press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and press the volume down key, and now release the power button and keep pressing the volume down key. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here you can see. Now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Tecno Spark Go 1 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.